Welcome to 2-Minute Math with Dr. John, where we cover a math concept in under 2 minutes. That way, if you want to watch it again, it won't take too long. In this video, we will look at taking derivatives. A derivative is what is used to find the slope of any point on the graph of a function. The basic process for taking a derivative is known as the power rule. Let's say we have a function y equals a times x to the n power. So to take the derivative, we say take the derivative of y with respect to x. Notice, change in y over change in x, that's slope. We just take the exponent n and multiply it by a, which is our coefficient. We keep the x, and then we take n and we subtract 1 from that exponent. So the derivative of ax to the n is nax to the n minus 1. For example, if y equals 3x squared, the derivative of y with respect to x would be the exponent 2 times the coefficient 3, 2 times 3, keep the x, and subtract 1 from the coefficient. This would be then 6x. So the derivative of 3x squared is 6x. Now, if the exponent of x is 1, the x just disappears. So for example, y equals 5x. Well, the derivative dy dx is equal to the exponent on x is 1, so it would be 1 times 5, which is 5, x to the 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And anything to the 0 power is just 1. 5 times 1. So the derivative of 5x is just 5. The derivative of any constant is always 0. Okay? We just saw that 5 is the same as 5x to the 0. So if we have y equals 5, which is really 5x to the 0 power, our derivative of y would be 0 times 5, which is 0, x to the 0 minus 1. But 0 times anything is 0. So the derivative of 5 or any other constant is going to be 0. Now, if the exponent of x is negative, you have to include the negative sign. For example, if our function y equals, let's say, 4x to the minus 3, well, our derivative dy dx is going to be minus 3 times 4 times x to the minus 3 minus 1. So our derivative is going to be minus 12x to the minus 4 power. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.